Okay, faculty teaching a course abroad. This video is about reviewing your applications and recommending them for acceptance. So when you log into studyabroad.salisbury.edu, is the landing page that you'll land on. You'll have fewer choices than I do, but it basically looks like this. If it doesn't look like this, always go up to the hamburger up here on the left, and you want to click always on Admin Console. Right, that brings you here. So there really are two areas you're going to look at your roster. The application finder, there's another video about application finder already, is where you'll see your roster, and you'll see the students maybe who are pending or who are accepted or admission accepted. Right. The other thing that that you need to work in is your reviewer console. So we've set you up in the website, so when a student applies to your program, tries to register for your course, right, you get an email. And in that email, you click the link and you get to approve or reject that student. All right. So if you miss the email or you forget or if you just go on here, you can always go into that admin console and into reviewer console, and this will be your list of students who are waiting for you to be reviewed. All right. So you then can review the student, and you see this little greater than sign over here. Like this, you'll see all this in your email. It will come already sort of redone. But if you end up this way, this is how it is, and it tells you what their major is. It tells you what their GPA is, who their advisor is, what their class level is, all these sorts of things. If there's an essay that's required, if there's an essay that will show up here. Here's the application responses. Right, this particular program doesn't require an essay. This particular program requires a COVID vaccine. Not all, Salisbury doesn't require that. The partner does. Right, these sorts of things. And then you approve or you reject. Okay? So when you approve or reject a student, that sends an automated message to the Center for National Education. And we're the ones that go in and then change their status from pending to accepted. We do that instead of you because it changes the checklist that a student gets. All right, so you're the one that gets to make the decision about whether we to approve or reject them, but we're the ones that actually click the button to change them from pending to accepted. All right, once a student is accepted, then they click the commit button, and that's how they become admission accepted. And there's a different video about how to become admission accepted, and you should watch that one as well. The students change that status themselves. But we're the ones that change their status from pending to accepted, but we only do it when you approve or reject in the reviewer console, not in the application finder. All right, I hope that's helpful on how to review the applications and approve or reject one of the students who wants to register for your course abroad.